First, I'm going to show you where is your jack points. First thing you want to do is put some wheel chocks, and then you're going to pull these hubcaps off. All right, here we go. Oh, ooh, that came off easily. I'm just going to leave it right there. I'm going to line up my jack. My jack stand right there. See this double weld, but there's it goes lower than the rest of the car. That the one that goes lower, that's where you put it. Okay, I got two. 1, 2. That should be good. Alright, so my 3-ton jack and my 3-ton floor jack is good enough for my Corolla, or mostly like, you know, cars. But for a heavy SUV like a van or a truck, you have to go with a 5 or 6 ton. Alright, so I'm going to release it. I'm going to go really slow. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Just check right here. Yeah, right there. That's where it's at. That's the front tire. That's the hockey puck. I'm gonna jack it up. I'm just gonna put a jack stand right there. Right there. I put the jack stand right here. On your tires, there is a wear bar. So in the groove area, you're gonna see, if you run your finger through, and it'll stop. That's the wear bar. Right in the middle here, if you run your finger, it'll stop. You could feel it. This part right here, and then this last groove right here, I can feel it. Those 3 things right here, the 3 grooves, the wear bar. If your tire, this tire, is the same height as that wear bar, it's time for you to change your tires. Good. I use the screwdriver to lift up the tire. I don't want to use too much power or strength. So I use, if you got a longer screwdriver or a crowbar, it's better. But this is my beat 'em up screwdriver. So it's a screwdriver that I use it for, other than being other than using it as a screwdriver. I use it for everything else. I call it a beat 'em up screwdriver. So I'll beat it up. Yeah, so you want to hand tight. Oh, don't breathe the brake dust. I believe that's cancerous, man. I think. I'm not an expert when it comes to that, but you're not supposed to be breathing all this stuff. Alright right, just hand tighten it. All right, so I would use your foot to hold it in place. Hand tighten it. That's good right there. Alright, where's my earmuff? Earmuff. Righty tighty. All right, I'm gonna put the tire on the back side as well right now. I'm gonna do it real quick. Here we go, guys. Yeah. Hand tighten them. All right, hand tighten them, man. Use my foot to hold the tire. Hand tight all of them. All right, I'm gonna impact this thing. Get over the impact. Righty tighty. All right, so now I'm gonna go all the way around. Beautiful. 76. All right, I matched it. It's right in the center. Let me make sure it's lined up. Yeah, it's lined up. Yeah, it's lined up. When you look at a brake pad, there is a metal piece and there's the brake pad that actually does all the braking. So if the brake pad is thicker than the metal piece that's holding the brake pad, then you are still okay. But if your brake pad is as thick as the metal piece that's holding the brake, then it's time for you to change as soon as you can. So what I'm looking for to check my brake is right there. And look right here. So my brake is good. The brake pad is thicker than the metal piece. So when you look at a brake pad, there is a metal piece and there's the brake pad that actually does all the braking. So if the brake pad is thicker than the metal piece that's holding the brake pad, then you are still okay. But if your brake pad is as thick as the metal piece that's holding the brake, then it's time for you to change as soon as you can. All right, so mine is still, the brake pad is thicker, way thicker than the metal piece that's holding the brake. Oh, it's hot up in here. I hope this video was a success and helpful, and please share it with people that may need it or might need it in the future. Thank you guys for your support.